Hi chefs, good morning, good afternoon, good evening and good night. Welcome back to Closkitchen. But if you are new here, welcome to my kitchen. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for new videos. Chefs, look what I found at my local grocery store. Some flour tortilla mix. I've always wanted to make tortillas, so today is the day that I will attempt to make some flour tortillas, and we will be making them together. So the name of the brand is Selector. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, and they have tips for noobs like me, as well as instructions on the back of the package. I definitely will be using the directions since I've never made tortilla before. I can't believe it, this recipe only requires 2 ingredients, water and the flour tortilla mix. It is very similar to roti. So I've measured 1 cup of warm water. Next I'm measuring 4 cups of the flour tortilla mix. I'm adding the 4 cups of tortilla mix to a large bowl. The texture of the flour tortilla mix feels like flour mixed with fine cornmeal. I'm measuring my 1 cup of water to make sure that it's accurate. I'm adding about half a cup first. I'm mixing the 2 ingredients together by gradually adding the water. I'm mixing it until I get a smooth, elastic dough. Once I've added all my water, I'm using my hands to knead the dough. Once my mixture starts to form a dough, I'm going to transfer it on a lightly floured surface and continue kneading it until it is nice and smooth. And you gotta put some elbows into it. Once I'm done, I'm preparing a lightly floured surfaced area. I'm cutting my dough in half, then I'm cutting them into 1-ounce pieces. You can either eyeball it or use a kitchen scale. So this first piece is 3.3 ounces, so I'm just going to cut a little piece off of it. And then I'm going to roll it into a ball and set it aside. I'm repeating the same steps until I have used the remaining of the dough. So I've been making between 1 ounce to 1.6 ounce balls. So I rolled 18 balls, which will give me 18 tortillas. So now I'm going to cover them for 10 minutes with a clean towel. I'm lightly flouring a section of my countertop. You can use either a griddle or a skillet to make tortillas with a temperature set to medium heat. I also have a rolling pin. I'm lightly flouring my rolling pin so that it doesn't stick to the dough, and I'm rolling out my dough into small thin circles since I'm making small tortillas. Then I'm going to place it on my preheated griddle. I'm going to repeat these steps until I have filled the griddle. Let me know in the comments below, what do you guys use your tortillas for? In what recipes? So now I'm just rolling out 2 of my dough and setting them aside since my griddle is filled. I cook my tortillas 15 seconds on each side. Let me know in the comments below if you have ever made homemade tortillas. Look, chefs, first time and I got it. They came out so beautiful. Check this out, nice and soft. Let me show y'all that how you could just tear it apart. No more store-bought tortillas since I could make it on my own now. I hope that you have enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye.